Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Lutron Caseta schedules with app services, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Lutron Caseta app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Lutron account. Navigate to the Schedules section in the app's main menu. Tap on the Add Schedule option to start creating a new schedule. Select the desired room or device you want to schedule. Choose the type of schedule you want to set up, such as sunrise or sunset. Specify the time you want the action to occur. Select the days of the week you want this schedule to repeat. Adjust any additional settings based on your preferences. Review the schedule details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Save to finalize your new schedule. Locate the Services option within the settings. Select Add Service to start the subscription process. Browse through the list of available app services. Follow the prompts to complete the subscription process. Review the terms and conditions and agree to proceed. Confirm your subscription details before finalizing. Wait for a confirmation message indicating a successful subscription. Return to the main app screen to view your scheduled events. You can edit or delete schedules at any time from this section. Explore additional features available to enhance your Lutron experience. Regularly check for app updates to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.